Don't let the Direct3DX9 DLL end your session. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I'll guide you through the scan to restore your gaming performance. Before starting the detailed Direct3DX9 fix, check the description for a professional tool to help align your library paths. This is the Direct3DX9 Update 24, a legacy DirectX 9.0 C component. It provides unmanaged routines for vertex processing and mesh orchestration, facilitating the 3D data link for games requiring the February 2005 runtime manifest. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. If Direct3DX9 DLL is missing, it typically indicates a break in your system's rendering stack. Use the Microsoft DirectX End-User Runtime web installer to restore legacy D3DX and Xaudio files. Then verify your GPU drivers to support any OpenCL or OpenGL dependencies. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with Direct3DX9. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. Since that didn't resolve it, let's pivot to step 3 to address the root cause directly. If you need to pause the video to get your workspace ready, take your time. If you still see the error after restarting, then your DirectX environment needs a manual update and you must use the DirectX June 2010 redistributable to fill in the missing library gaps. This tool is designed to restore compatibility for older graphics APIs that are no longer supported by standard Windows update cycles. Why are we doing this? Well, corrupted graphics metadata often prevents the OS from loading older library versions, and this manual setup forces a clean deployment of the required binaries. To avoid future system conflicts, there is one specific security trap we should discuss. Be suspicious of any site that asks you to disable your antivirus to install Direct3DX9 DLL, as this is a major red flag for malicious software. To ensure your environment stays properly configured, a professional diagnostic can help verify that your library references remain intact. For users seeking more stable application launches, the diagnostic tool below outlines Direct3DX9 optimization concepts. I hope this walkthrough provided the clarity you needed to fix Direct3DX9. Please like the video to support the channel and subscribe for more system-level tutorials.